I am really craving some beetroot juice right now.
Beet juice benefits, nature's red powerhouse. Hey wellness warriors, welcome back to Daily Healthy Tips, where we sip on wisdom and serve up health tips that actually work. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of beet juice. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's brimming with benefits. Let's find out why this ruby red elixir deserves a spot in your daily routine. Nutritional snapshot. Beet juice is more than just a trendy health drink. It's packed with nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax and improve circulation, folate, vitamin B9, essential for cell growth and function, potassium, supports heart health and muscle function, antioxidants like betalains, which give beets their deep color and fight inflammation. 6 key health benefits. Let's break down the top 6 science-backed benefits of beet juice. 1. Boosts athletic performance. Nitrates improve oxygen use and stamina, great for workouts and endurance sports. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Studies show beet juice can reduce systolic blood pressure within hours of drinking it. 3. Supports brain health. Improved blood flow may enhance cognitive function, especially in older adults. 4. Fights inflammation. Betalains help reduce inflammation linked to chronic conditions like arthritis. 5. Supports liver detox. Beet juice supports liver enzymes and helps flush out toxins. 6. May help prevent cancer. Antioxidants in beets may protect cells from damage and reduce cancer risk. Risks and tips. While beet juice is powerful, it's not for everyone. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Beeturia, it can turn your urine or stool pink. Totally harmless, but surprising. Kidney stones. Beets are high in oxalates, which may contribute to stones in sensitive individuals. Blood sugar. Though natural, beet juice still contains sugar, so monitor your intake if you're diabetic. Tips. Start with half a cup and build up. Blend with carrot or apple for a sweeter taste. Drink it fresh for maximum nutrients. So there you have it, beet juice, nature's red rocket fuel. Whether you're chasing fitness goals, boosting brain power, or just want to glow from the inside out, this juice might be your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more natural health tips and wellness wisdom. Drop a comment. Have you tried beet juice? What's your favorite way to drink it?